Hey, welcome to the Ballin by Nature Naughty League. This is year 2. We got 3 games going on today. We have our 8th grade boys going first. We got our high school girls. We got our 8th grade girls, man. Our 8th grade boys division, brand new division. Our high school girls, we welcome University and Bart. And our 8th grade girls today, we welcome our returning champions, Bergen Ballers, and our new team, Team Sharp. Be on the lookout every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at Oval Park. When it's raining outside, any inclement weather, we move inside the City Tyson. But it's Ballin by Nature, it's the city of East Orange, and we here for year 2. Peace.
Give it up for Naughty by Nature!
Day 1, y'all, for the barn burner. Word up, we had fun out here today. We had 8th grade boys play first. We had Joe's crew take that, start the season off 1-0. And then we had the girls high school division play second. We had University start off and take that one, they 1-0. And then we finished it off with a great game just now, right here. And we had Team Sharp take a win over last year's champions, Bergen Ballin. So we had the 8th grade girls finish it out. And that's day 1, y'all. It's in the books. Ballin by Nature. It's off and running. Here we go, year 2.